Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a full tutorial on how to install this 70 mile dash cam. This one is the Lite edition. There are two models. One is the Pro and then this one is the Lite edition. As you can see, this one has a gold. You could tell like a 90-degree angle. Okay. And this is a single camera. This is full HD, which is 1080p. And this one is not a touch screen. As you can see, you got the physical button right there. So I already installed the Samsung 32 gigabyte of memory card in here already. This is a micro SD. So let's go ahead and show you guys real quick. So it comes with the instruction manual, and I have already installed the static electricity film on the windshield, and this is the GPS module. They come with either GPS or non-GPS module. So, and I have the 12-volt secret adapter come with it already. That convert to the USB, and this is a micro USB charging cable that it goes right there. So let's go move on to the dash, and I got this prying tool so I could push the wire in between the panels and everything, or the headliner. So as you can see, I already installed the static static electricity film right there, and then this is the GPS module. You mount it on top of it, but make sure you're not gonna block this. Make sure you have a good view before you mount it on your windshield. After that, you just clip the dash cam onto here. That's it. And make sure you adjust the camera angle where you want to capture or film. And I'm going to wrap this wire on top of the headliner in here, and then all around the side of the column. So use this prying tool. So you gotta pry out the headliner so you have enough gap to push the wire in. Sorry against the sun, stupid sun. Alright, so as you can see, the wire is in the headliner and everything. Nothing is sticking out. I use a sun visor, and then we're gonna go around this gap right here. Going to route around on top of that SRS curtain airbag into that slit, and then we're gonna go around this weather seal. Gonna remove it and tuck it in the wires. Alright, so make sure you don't poke the airbag, okay? So I take out this weather seal right here. So this is nice and smooth, nothing sticking out. So we gotta take it out. See the airbags is inside there. Gotta be careful, don't poke it. And then we're gonna go wrap around the wire all the way in there, all the way down there into the gap. And then we'll go all the way down to there. And we're gonna go under the dash, route the wire. Route the wire under this dash. And then go to the 12-volt over there. So there's a hood cable here. I'm gonna go on top of it. I don't want this brake to hit this wire. Are you gonna cut it or something? So you see I insert that wire. I'm gonna push this in. And then after that you can put the weather seal back. You just push back up. That's it. So this is the one that we need to worry about. I'm gonna unplug it from the USB. So I can route the wire easy. Go on top here. Make sure the wire is not hanging down or anything either. So. better to remove there's a panel right here with the 2 screws. So I think I should remove it. I see the 2 filter screws right here, one over here, one over there. I'm gonna remove it so I can use this unclip it. So I have to remove this plastic panel so I can run the wire easy because this is blocking my view. So I'm gonna get the Phillips screwdriver and then open it up. Phillips screwdriver. Let's go ahead and get ready, guys. So excited to put this on there. So this is the Prius plug-in. There's a clip right here. You push it to open it up. There you go. See? So my wire got stuck here. What? There's a metal clip here. So when you put it back, make sure it's not obstructing anything, okay? All right. And then we can run the wire in here. And you don't want it too long anyway, so I'll just stuff the extra wire into the side panel here because I don't want it too long. You got to be careful, there's some metal right here. You don't want to cut the wire either, so should be long enough. Alright, so I'm going to plug this in and we're in business. So if you need to format your memory card, you need to format first. Else it's not going to be compatible. It is better to format it. And I need to screw this back on. So what's going on? I got this one in already, so this one is giving me a hard time. Make sure it matches the hole. It is matching. Alright, that's it. There. Right there. That wasn't that hard. So anyway, let's turn the car on.
Please format SD card.
So it is new, so it's going to ask me to format it. So all you need to do is just push the button on the right hand side and then format it. There you go. So there's a button on the right hand side. Right there. You just push to format it on the lower right hand side. And it is formatting right now.
Show my starts recording.
Alright. Let me show you the outside real quick. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.